Okay, we're back. Chunky. How you going, Bob? That's Spike. This is the waterbed. Nearly. This is the waterbed. You turn it upside down, put a water bladder in it, and that's my waterbed. But it blew up. That hole there is where the fire started, and that hole there, this one, is where the electricity heat pad went through. So, yes, not using that again. And because it's noisy, we love it, don't we? Yes, we do. We don't put anything to waste, do we? Oh, he fell in there. Did you fall inkling on? You fell, you dag. Spike's still trying to get to me. And you darling. Hey? Come here, bub. Oh, hello, Molly. You found the hole. Let's see. Hang on. Just give me a minute. I'll see if we can turn the camera around. Oh, I don't think we can, though. Hang on. Give me kisses. Oh, I love you too. Oh, I love you too. Oh, I do love you too. I love you too. You just want to be on camera. Oh, look at you. Yeah, camera hog. No idea how that went. Couldn't see a thing. You're watching coming straight back to me. He's got separation anxiety. Oh, he made it. Holy crap on a stick. Oh, you go have fun, babe. Oh, separation anxiety. Yeah, don't worry about me, though. I'm right. Yeah, I'll look after things now. You just chill out and do what you want. I thought he loved me. Molly, Molly, Molly. Molly, Molly. What you doing, bub? Get up in there. Make some noise. Oh, don't go in there. That's where the puppy is. Yes, you know, that's why you got your towel all spiked. Yeah, so, bit of a plaything for him. You can hear him. Shh. Woohoo! Can't wait to stick it in the cage outside. They're going to go off their nut. Well, there was 16 of them. Where you go, Spike? Come back here, Bubba. Mummy's got separation anxiety. Oh, Molly went in one out hole and in one out hole and out the other. Yep, that made sense. It's Klingon and the babies. Molly, you're not supposed to be up in there. She's so clever. I've always been lucky with all my ferrets. They've never seemed to chew on electrical cords. I reckon there's so much more to do than electrical cords are boring. I don't actually know any friends that have had ferrets chew on electrical cords either. Oh, if you're wondering, that box there is their pasta pit, which should be open. Pasta pit! What? The pasta pit's open? Oh, good Lord, we must go to see. I have a ticket today. You're licking my toes, Bubba. You want to go back in there, don't you? Yeah, I know. Give me a kiss. Oh, God, I love you. You are so beautiful. Love kisses. Pasta pit's open. Free entry. Rah! That's what I expected. Oh, don't you try that again, Spike. Oh, he fell in again. Far out. Ah, seriously. How could anybody hate ferrets? Good for you. User-friendly. See, now if I had somebody to video this, I'd be lying on that right in the middle with toys all around me and playing with them. But unfortunately, we can't. Spike's trying to get out again. Oh, you did it again. You're a crazy critter. Spike, you're showing off, aren't you, darling? Hey? Well, I don't. Come here, bub. Come here. Come here. You showing off, aren't you? Hang on. You showing off? Yes, mummy. Oh, I sure am. But don't you love it when I do that? Oh, I sure do. Give me a kiss. Ah, you blew me a kiss. Alright, ready? Get us thrown over on the lounge. Ready? Woohoo! Oh, look out. Coming back from the dead. It's Molly. Oh, oh no, you're getting too used to it. Oh, I know what it is. Duh. Oh, now. Come on. Leave him alone. Don't. Now you're asking for it. Bobby, get out. Darling, you know, you're not allowed to pick on her. She's a good girl. She only barks. But I don't want you to go in there. You pick on her and you bite your bum. It's not funny. Go back in. Have to move the mattress back a bit because that's why you're getting out. You cheeky monster. Do it again. Go on, do it again. Spike! No. Okay. Oh, here he is. Spiky! Spiky bum! Yep. God love ya. More kisses. Much more kisses for you. You can do it again. Yeah, gotcha. Do it again. Come on. Yeah. Do it again. Yeah. One more time. One more. Come on, Spike. Yay! Good boy. Good boy, you dag. Oh, I ripped that carpet up. That naughty carpet. You boy, Spiky Bum. Who goes Spiky Bum? Hey, you're not in there now. You're lucky. Actually, I better shut the door. It's just a storage room. I do not live in there. It's got artwork and blankets and blah, 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 blah. And ferrets. Oh, God. They just make you so freaking happy. So that you can exhale kind of happy, you know? Oh, I'm so happy. I'm going to turn off now and enjoy my fluffy bums. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry about my bad videoing, but you get that. Bye.